How to start an animation immediately after a view on appear. If you want to shift UI view to start animating as soon as it appears, you should use the on appears modifier to attach an animation. I will show you the basic code first, then then show you extensions. I will to make this process and express. So first of all, we're gonna create a simple example in this applications. So we're gonna create on this example on this on appear. Okay, we're gonna create on this shift UI view and which have a command and which have a shift UI view. Suppose this is a on appear animation on appear example, and this is a on appear example how to start an animation immediately after a view and on appear. So we're going to create on this, suppose which have we're going to create on this property scale and state private var. Suppose scale which is scale and which is type of CG float and is equal to 1.0. Okay, which have a 1.0, and we're going to create on this image. Suppose this in this image we're going to create on this image and assign on this our parent image. Suppose this is the ABC. We're going to apply on this dot resizable modifier. We're going to apply on this dot frame. We're going to apply on this frame. Suppose which we're going to apply on this frame is 200 width and 200 height. We're going to apply on the 200 width. Suppose this is not apply on this. We're going to apply on the dot corner radius, which have a dot corner radius. This is 100 in this corner radius. Okay, and we're going to apply on this scale effect in this on this image. We're going to apply this scale effect on this image. Scale effect, and we're going to apply the series size. We're going to create on this our scale effect scale. Okay, and we're going to apply on this on appear method on this image dot on appear and tasks. Suppose the same method on appear and tasks. So we're going to create on this let base animation, let initial animation which have initial animation and is equal to animation. Okay, and animation is equal to animation. Suppose we're going to apply equal to animation and dot we're going to apply on the dot is an easy and out, and we're going to apply on this easy in out duration. Suppose whichever duration is 1 second. Okay, and we're going to create on the repeated animation. Let repeat animation. Okay, let repeat animation is equal to initial animation. Okay, and initial animations dot repeat forever method on this shift here repeat forever, and retrieve for the auto reverse. Suppose this is repeat for the auto reverse is equal to true, and we're going to repeat forever, and we're going to apply on this with animation. We're going to apply on this condition with animation, and this scale is equal to 0.1, which has scale is equal to 0.1. You can resume on this application and running on this codes. So run on this application. On appear column on this. So we're gonna set on this value. Suppose this is a set on this 1.5. We're gonna apply scale is 1.6. Okay, so we're gonna resume on this applications. Scale is 1.6 and repeat for as one direction, one duration. Repeat forever is one duration and 1.5. Suppose we're gonna apply on this 1.5 scale, and we're gonna apply on duration 1 second. 0.1 is scale, and repeat forever is to true. We're gonna resume on this application. We're gonna check on this animation in this case. Suppose we have 4 seconds in this duration. Okay, We can run this application, but we can check on this issue. So on appear, this is scale effect with animation is equal to in this. Okay, we can set on the with animation and repeat it with animation, and we can assign this repeated, but it's repeat animation. Repeat animation. This with animation. This repeat animation. This repeat animation. So we can assign with animation. Assign this repeat animation. So we can not apply this. This is for duration. Suppose this is 2 seconds. Okay, only 2 seconds. This is the only 2 seconds. If you want to shift UI view to start animating as soon as it appears, you should use it the on appear modifier to delay an animation. I will show you the basic code first, then show you extension. I will to make this process in this. So thank you for watching the video use of animation on appear animation apply on this on appear. Thank you for watching, but not apply on 0 second duration is 0, and we can apply duration is 0 and 1.0 in this image. Scale is effect is 1.1, and you can with animation scale is 1.0.1. So thank you for watching the use of on appear animation.